1. How many bones are there in the adult human skeleton? A. 200. B. 206. C. 210. D. 212. The answer is B. 206. 2. Which is the largest bone in the human body? A. Humerus. B. Femur. C. Tibia. D. Pelvis. The answer is B. Femur. 3. What type of bone is the patella? A. Long bone. B. Short bone. C. Flat bone. D. Sesamoid bone. The answer is D. Sesamoid bone. 4. The axial skeleton includes all of the following except A. Skull. B. Vertebral column. C. Pelvic girdle. D. Rib cage. The answer is C. Pelvic girdle. 5. Which of the following bone cell is responsible for breaking down bone tissue? A. Osteoblasts. B. Osteoclasts. C. Osteocytes. D. Chondrocyte. The answer is B. Osteoclasts. 6. Which part of the vertebral column contains the most vertebrae? A. Cervical. B. Thoracic. C. Lumbar. D. Sacral. The answer is B. Thoracic. 7. Which one of the following terms refers to ends of long bones? A. Diaphysis. B. Epiphysis. C. Metaphysis. D. Periosteum. The answer is B. Epiphysis. 8. Which type of joint allows the most movement? A. Fibrous joint. B. Cartilaginous joint. C. Synovial joint. D. Pivot joint. The answer is C. Synovial joint. 9. What is the name of the first cervical vertebra? A. Axis. B. Atlas. C. Occipital. D. Sacrum. The answer is C. Atlas. 10. Which bone forms the forehead? A. Temporal bone. B. Frontal bone. C. Parietal bone. D. Sphenoid bone. The answer is B. Frontal bone. 11. How many pairs of ribs are there in the human body? A. 10. B. 11. C. 12. D. 13. The answer is C. 12. 12. Which bones make up the shoulder girdle? A. Clavicle and scapula. B. Humerus and scapula. C. Sternum and clavicle. D. Scapula and sternum. The answer is A. Clavicle and scapula. 13. What type of joint is the knee? A. Ball and socket joint. B. Pivot joint. C. Hinge joint. D. Saddle joint. The answer is B. Hinge joint. 14. Which bone is a part of facial skeleton? A. Occipital. B. Mandible. C. Sphenoid. D. Frontal. The answer is B. Mandible. 15. What is the hollow space inside the diaphysis of a long bone called? A. Medullary cavity. B. Epiphyseal line. C. Periosteum. D. Lamella. The answer is A. Medullary cavity. 16. What connects muscles to bones? A. Ligaments. B. Cartilage. C. Tendons. D. Fascia. The answer is C. Tendons. 17. What are the small bones in the wrist called? A. Carpals. B. Tarsals. C. Metacarpals. D. Phalanges. The answer is A. Carpals. 18. Which type of bone is found in the shell of long bones? A. Compact bone. B. Spongy bone. C. Flat bone. D. Irregular bone. The answer is A. Compact bone. 19. Which bone is also known as the collarbone? A. Scapula. B. Sternum. C. Clavicle. D. Humerus. The answer is C. Clavicle. 20. Which is not a bone of the lower limb? A. Femur. B. Tibia. C. Radius. D. Fibula. The answer is C. Radius. 21. The primary component of the extracellular matrix in bones is A. Collagen. B. Eosin. C. Proteins. D. Hemoglobin. The answer is A. Collagen. 22. How many phalanges are in each hand? A. 10. B. 12. C. 14. D. 16. The answer is C. 14. 23. What is the bone that forms the back and base of the skull called? A. Frontal bone. B. Occipital bone. C. Temporal bone. D. Parietal bone. The answer is B. Occipital bone. 24. Which of the following is not a part of the sternum? A. Manubrium. B. Xiphoid process. C. Body. D. Acromion. The answer is D. Acromion. 25. Which part of the body is referred to as the funny bone? A. Humerus. B. Radius. C. Ulna. D. Clavicle. The answer is A. Humerus.